Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So from today, I am starting one Node.js series from scratch, where I'll be covering all the major topic of Node.js from basic to advanced. So I have made one PPT to show you what are the basic mandatory stuffs which I'll be covering through my channel. I hope you guys will enjoy this series. Let's get started. So why we are using Node.js? So Node.js is easily employed as a server-side proxy, where it can handle a large amount of simultaneous connection in a non-blocking manner, which means Node.js is non-blocking and asynchronous. So this is a major topic of Node.js, which I'll be covering throughout a separate video. How to download Node.js? So you have to go to this particular website. From there, you can download Node.js. Always download the latest version of Node.js. So this is the website from where you have to download the Node.js. So there is Node.js version. Here it is written as LTS. So we don't have to download this LTS version. There will be one stable version. So we have to download that stable version. Okay. I'm not downloading this as in my system, I have already downloaded the Node.js. So you have to choose as per your system, whether your system is Windows or Mac or Linux or something else, maybe in between these three. Okay, so based on that, you have to download the Node.js stable version, not the LTS version. Okay, and also there is the system configuration for 64-bit or for 86-bit. Okay. This way you can download the Node.js. If you are facing any problem while downloading the Node.js, there are many other videos which are available in YouTube. From there you can also follow, or you can comment down below in the comment section. From there I will pick your comment and I will answer, or I will make one separate video. So for starting with Node.js, what is the basic thing we need to know? So what is NPM? So NPM means the Node Package Manager, which is known as NPM. So NPM is the world's largest software registry. The registry contains over 8 lakh code packages. These are completely and open source and free to use. NPM helps Node.js to build application with advanced features. Okay. So in the next slide, we will see where this NPM stay in Node.js. Okay. So there is one file when we'll be starting with Node.js application, we will run one comment which is known as npm init. This npm init means npm initialization. This way we will start with the Node.js application. So there is one file. Once we do the npm init, you will see that system will automatically generate one file called as package.json. So there is one file called package.json where all the npm will be listed, which I'll be using for building my application. Okay. And also I'll be covering this Node.js series, not with JavaScript, but we will be using the TypeScript, which is also same as JavaScript, but TypeScript now commonly used and mostly used. So I will be covering with TypeScript. So let's see what is TypeScript. So TypeScript is a syntactic superset of JavaScript, which adds static typing. This basically means TypeScript adds syntax on top of JavaScript, allowing developers to add types. So that means like in JavaScript, when we mention any function, we pass the params like name or their role. We pass a particular param through a function. So there we don't have to mention the type. Like if we are passing name, then we have to pass the typing of that name, that whether name is string or array or something else. So this way, but when we are using the TypeScript in there, for all the variable, you have to mention the type. So there are basic types which are mentioned. One is Boolean type. So Boolean means always 1 or 0 value, that is true or false value. Or if we want to pass a number, like some integer value if we are passing, then we have to mention the type as number. Or string can be anything like name or any features. Okay. And there are also some other like big int. And but my most favorite type is any. Like if you are confused about any variable type, whether it is array or object or string or boolean, whatever it is, then you can mention, for a safer side game, you can mention the type as any. So how we can use this TypeScript with the variables? Let's see. Okay, so like first name, which is string, and this is science. So this is a complete string, you can see within the inverted comma. So we are mentioning the type as string. So Boolean means value should be true or false. So this way, the way we are mentioning in JavaScript, same way we are mentioning the variable in TypeScript, only we will mention the type by using the colon and then the type and the last name physics. But yeah, so any is suitable for any type. So any you can use for both. So for Boolean, you can also, but for Boolean, I will not say that you have to use the any. You will always use the Boolean, because Boolean means it will either pass true or false. Okay, so always try to use the Boolean, but for string or anything like object or array, you can use the type as any. Okay. So now the basic question, like what we will learn from this course. So from basic to advanced, all the major topic of Node.js I will cover, like developing application on Node.js, like e-commerce application. I will build one e-commerce application or some chat application or maybe something else. Okay. I will try to cover most of the application which is ongoing and you are seeing in your everyday life. We will try to implement that. Okay. And then implementing microservices using Node.js. So nowadays we all use the microservice kind of architecture. So we will be using the microservice kind of architecture in Node.js. That we'll also learn how to implement the microservices in Node.js. Then what is reverse proxy in Node.js, that we'll also learn how to set the proxy in Node.js to handle multiple microservices, and then how to use multiple thread in Node.js. Like when we start Node.js series, you will see that Node.js is single thread, but we can also use multiple thread in Node.js by, there is one npm called worker thread. So when we will be using the worker thread, by using worker thread, we can make Node.js multi-threading as well. Okay. How to set queue in Node.js and use it in the application. So queue means we will talk about it later in some other videos. So like RabbitMQ, you can do type and Google about it, about the RabbitMQ, absolutely. And how to set the Redis in Node.js. So Redis is a cache kind of database. Okay, for some case or purpose, you can use Redis. Okay, so I will show you how you set the Redis and how you can use that on your application, and how to handle load balancer using Nginx in Node.js. So there is one npm to install the Nginx. Nginx means that npm name is Nginx. That means this actually help to handle the load balancer in Node.js. And many more topic or many more features we will learn in Node.js. But these are the basic thing I will cover. And probably I will try to, maybe these are the topics which probably you will never see on any other videos, or maybe you can see, but I will try to implement in a manner so that anybody can understand. Okay. So thank you, and please subscribe to my channel for more updates in this video. Till this only. In the next video, I'll be coming up with some new application in Node.js. So at the beginning, I'll be developing one Node.js application by using TypeScript, and we will console a basic string, which we all know, that hello world. Okay, we will print the hello world in the command prompt, and we will see that in the new video. Thank you, guys.